There she was, just walking down the street.
What is that right of an owner of an estate surrounded by other estates to demand to be allowed to pass through that neighboring estates after payment of indemnity? And the right of way.
What does least prejudicial mean in Article 649? Eddie, the shortest way and the one which will cause the least damage. What if these two circumstances do not concur? Eddie, the way which will cause the least damage will be used, even if it will not be the shortest.
How much is the proper indemnity if the passage is continuous and permanent? The indemnity consists of the value of the land occupied plus the amount of damages caused to the surveyed estate. What if the passage is temporary? The indemnity consists in the payment of the damage caused.
How big should the easement be? The width of the easement must be sufficient for the needs of the dominant estate.
Stay singing. Well, I'm hers. She's mine.